Hello students, today we have a specimen of fish. So we will study about fish. As you know, fish is uh, adapted for water. That is it possesses aquatic adaptation. So students, it has lot of adaptive features due to which it easily lives inside the water. As you can see, its body is dorso-ventrally flattened. Due to this, it usually make its way by cutting the water currents. Body is covered with waterproof scales and it possesses gills, due to which it able to absorb oxygen dissolved in the water. It has a pair of eyes without eyelids, nostrils are there, and number of fins are there, which help it in locomotion. So we will write down all these things stepwise. So first of all, you must write down its classification. Students, this fish, it comes in the kingdom Animalia. So write down kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, class Ostrich Thais. You can write down the spelling also. OS, class OSTEICHTHYES. So class Ostrich Thais, genus Labeo, that is LABEO. Now species Rohita, ROHIT. This is about its classification. So write down the points of its features. You can write down the first point, that it is a freshwater dweller. We find it in freshwater, and in India we call it as rohu fish. This fish is mostly used for eating. Students, if you see its size, it is 30 to 90 centimeter in length. The body is somewhat flattened, streamlined, dusky black dorsally and laterally, but pale white ventrally. It is covered with overlapping cycloid scales. So you can see the scales are there. These scales, they protect it. These are waterproof scales, so protect it from rotting. Now the third point, mouth is subterminal and ventral. This is the mouth, it is in the ventral region. A pair of nostrils are there, and a pair of eyes without eyelids are present. There are 5 pairs of gill slits. Gill slits are here, and over them you can see a lid is there, that is operculum. 3 median, that is dorsal, ventral and caudal. Fins are there, and 2, that is pelvis and pectoral. These are the fins, and these fins, they help it in swimming. And you can see tail region, it is known as caudal fin, which is equally lobed. It helps in swimming. Lateral line, lateral line sense organs are present. Students, sexes are separate in fishes. The males are without claspers. So in this way the fish has lot of adaptive feature. You have often observed the fish when it is in water, they used to quickly open and close their mouth. What are they doing? Actually they are quickly engulfing the water, and that water, when it passes inside the fish in gills region, then the oxygen which is present in the water, that is absorbed by the blood, because in the gills region lot of blood capillaries are there where blood is flowing, so the oxygen is absorbed by the blood, and now the water which is inside the fish is free from oxygen, and that water is thrown through gill slits. When once it is thrown, then the operculum, it covers the gill slit region. So this is all about the fish specimen.